Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell and this is your November-December Shots of Life kit. The Shots of Life kit comes out every other month and it is chock full of product from cut-apart sheets to embellishments, all kinds of fun things to do your pocket page scrapbooking, and so much more. The products in the Shots of Life kit also coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So be sure to check it out, and you might even add it on to your Flavors of the Month to have it go even further. This month's kit includes products that are perfect for everyday scrapbooking to your fall, all the way into Christmas. I'm so excited to dig in and show you everything that's in this month's kit, so let's go through and look at all the paper first. First, from Jen Hatfield, Along the Way collection, we have the 3x4 cut-apart sheet. So this is perfect for your everyday scrapbooking. Has some beautiful colors in it, from the yellow to the turquoise, and even some pops of red in here in her little dress. The back is a turquoise grid, a graph design on an off-white, a full branding strip with these gorgeous flowers. From Echo Park, Celebrate Autumn, we have the 4x6 cut-apart sheet with those cute little critters in here. The back are these florals in all of the fall colors. Then you'll also receive the 3x4 cut-apart sheet from the Celebrate Autumn. So these are perfect for your pocket page scrapbooking, even to make some fall cards to send out. The back is a two-toned orange leaf pattern. So hopefully that will show up on camera. And then to take you into Christmas, from Simple Stories, we have Simple Vintage Christmas. This is the 4x6 cut apart. These gorgeous vintage designs with the holly and of course Old St. Nick. The back is this black and cream plaid design. It's just gorgeous. Then from Echo Park, Celebrate Christmas, we have the 3x4 cut-aparts. So this one's a little bit more graphic and whimsical in design. Love the cute little reindeer. And the back is this red design that kind of reminds me of a poinsettia. From Pebbles, Cozy and Bright, we have the 3x4 cut-apart. This is another fun, whimsical collection. I love the I'll Be Gnome for Christmas and the little sloth. So again, these would be great if you want to make up some Christmas cards with your leftovers after you scrapbook. And the back is a two-tone red with a poinsettia design and then a full branding strip of the red and white diagonal candy cane stripe. The last paper is Cartabella Santa's Workshop, and this is the 4x6. This one, of course, is very gorgeous, true to Cartabella, the heavyweight paper, and these fun vintage designs. The back is a holly garland on a wood grain background, so just gorgeous. So you can see you get full 12x12 patterns on the back of all your papers, so you could use those as well. And then plenty of cut-aparts. You're also going to receive a half a pack of the My Mind's Eye, well, Hello collection. These are the journaling cards from them. So these will vary among the kits, but I'll flip through here really quick just to give you an idea of the designs. A cute little llama. So a lot of bright colors, again, just everyday scrapbooking. Perfect for cards, pocket page scrapbooking, or tucking in your journaling spots on regular 12x12 pages as well. For your embellishments for the Well Hello collection, you're going to get the chipboard elements. Really nice chipboard. And then Jen Hatfield's collection, you're going to get half of the sticker sheet. So again, cute little whimsical designs for everyday scrapbooking. Love the little teacup and the little girls with their flowers. Then into the fall, from Celebrate Autumn, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera, so it's going to vary. Lots of little tags, banners. These again would be cute to make up some little fall cards for your friends as well. So that's some of the fall embellishments, and I missed a couple here. And then your Christmas collections from Cartabella, the Santa's Workshop. You're going to get the washi tape that says Merry Christmas just over and over again. So red. So from the Elko Park Celebrate Christmas, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera, so these will vary. But lots of little tags, which you could also make tags for your gifts this year from some of the embellishments and the cut-aparts as well. So you can see St. Nick there. From Simple Stories, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets, so they will vary among the kits. I got this one that's a clear. You can kind of see a little bit of what that is. Just some gorgeous winter scenes on that. And then from Pebbles, you're going to get half a pack of the brads. So some large ones, a medium, and even small. So some gorgeous brads. So you can see lots of embellishments to go along with your pocket page scrapbooking. So that's a look at this month's Shots of Life kit. Be sure to come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group as well as the store. Check out all the other kits available from the ScrapRoom. Come see what the design team's creating with their kits as well as your fellow subscribers. And if you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are released. And don't forget to check out the Flavors of the Month kit that coordinates along with the Shots of Life kit to see if that's something that you would like to add in as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.